Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S exam prep. So guys, as you know, GATE results are already announced by ISC. So that's why now we are having the success stories. Definitely they will encourage you in your preparation journey. They will give you some right path, some strategies of toppers, which you can also use in your preparation journey. So today is a special session where we are having Ghanshyam with us, who secured AIR 1 in XC paper, and let us ask about his strategies, how he have done this. So first of all, congratulations, Ghanshyam.
Thank you very much, sir.
So I would like to ask you first of all, ki introduce yourself so that our viewers can know about you.
Right. Hello, everyone. My name is Ghanshyam. I was born and brought up in Varda near Nagpur. I've done my BTech in mechanical engineering from BITS Pilani Goa campus. Uh, got a campus placement after that. Did my job for 2.5 years. Uh, I wanted to prepare for higher studies, and that's why I wanted to do higher studies, and that's why I started preparing for GATE, and left my job after 2.5 years, and just now cleared GATE exam.
Great. So, dear, I would like to ask, like, you are from mechanical engineering background. So,
Right.
as I know, for mechanical students, you were having options like production industrial as a second paper. You was having XC, obviously, which you have appeared for. DA was also there. Any specific reason that you have chosen this XC?
Right. So, since in mechanical I have studied thermal and fluid mechanics and solid mechanics, my inclination were always towards thermal and fluid mechanics. I was good at those particular subjects, and in XE I had the option to choose those two three particular subjects, and since I was already good at it, that's one reason. Another reason, uh, since the whole idea of preparation was doing higher studies, XC score are also accepted in all of the institution over India, and you just have to prepare 2 3 subjects to get for the XC paper. So that was the whole reason behind choosing XC uh, as a second paper.
Great. So, as we all know, in XC paper, we need to choose majorly two subjects. So, what were those two subjects you have chosen?
For me, those two subjects were fluid mechanics and solid mechanics.
So I feel your combination is something which is equally valid for civil peoples also, because those two subjects are common for mechanical and civil. So any
Right.
reason behind not choosing thermal over solid mechanics as your favorite is thermofluid?
Uh, Thermodynamics syllabus is quite vast, and there is a lot of theory part from which questions can be asked. Right, as compared to that, I felt like solid mechanic is much more restrictive, and based on PYQs, I thought it's much easier that if I choose solid mechanics, I would be able to score much more as compared to thermodynamics. That's why I chose solid mechanics. And fluid mechanics was always the constant that I was going to choose either fluid mechanics or thermodynamics or fluid mechanics or solid mechanics, and I went with fluid and solid.
Okay. So one more question I would like to ask, like whenever we are preparing for the core branches like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, we have the proper strategy what to do. So for XC, as this trend just came 2 3 years from Gate 2021 when they were allowing two papers to give. So I would like to ask you, like, have you done some separate preparation for these XC subjects, or whatever you are preparing for Gate ME, it was included in that only?
Until gate paper, I didn't focus on anything new other than the mechanical paper itself. So we had 1 week of time after gate mechanical paper. In that time period, there was only one topics which I studied extra in fluid mechanics, that was source and sinks. Other than that, the syllabus was uh, uh, pretty similar to mechanical. I don't think I've studied anything else other than that.
Okay. So, when practice we are talking about, so that also only PYQs of XC or anything else.
PYQs of XC were more than enough for me. So I think those are more than enough because it gives you because there are lots of questions in previous year XE paper. There are 22 questions of each subject, so you'll get a whole bunch of questions, a whole bunch of variety of questions to solve from.
Great. Any standard books you have referred during your preparation for these subjects?
For fluid mechanics, there's a standard textbook. I think it was from Senjal publication. I don't. I honestly don't remember the author name, but maybe.
Yes, it is Senjal. Senjal is there.
Huh,
Is it?
Senjal. So that is the one that I referred.
Great. So, this is the book you have referred, and I would also like to ask ki when we are talking about only going for the two subjects, as it was the part of the mechanical syllabus, so you didn't worry about that. But otherwise, if a student is preparing for two subjects, what do you feel the ideal time required to go for XC preparation only? If anyone is just concentrating his preparation to XC part only.
Okay. So if we consider mathematics and two more subjects, I think 4 to 5 months is more than enough for completing whole XC syllabus with proper problem solving and proper practice time.
Great, great. So, like for you, it was a combo offer,
Yes,
mechanical and
yes,
XC. That's great.
yes, yes,
Fine. So, as when I would like to ask one more, like you were saying, you were doing the job, and after that, you left the job for the preparation. So, were you having any like mental pressure that I have left the job? Now, if I will, I am going for the gate. If I will not get something good, then what I will do? So, those kind of things generally students are having. So you were
yes,
also feeling that kind of things, and what
yes.
you were doing for that?
So there was that pressure that I've left the job, and if I don't get a good rank and what I want from the gate exam, what I'll be doing. So that pressure was there. So the only thing is you need to convert that pressure into your motivator. So that's what I did, and uh, I would suggest if it would be great everyone can do that. So because that is excellent motivator, was an excellent motivator in my case, in my case. So yeah, that's what I did, converted that pressure into as a motivator for me.
That is a very unique quality. Actually, generally students are getting more pressure and they are performing bad.
Uh,
That's great you have done because I have seen like many students who are starting their preparation with a lot of josh and hosh, but when August, September, October are coming, they are gets demotivated. Then they are comparing like ki I have left the job. Now if I will not get, I will not be having anything in my hand. So with that pressure, they are going to get disturbed. So you are definitely an inspiration for all those who are taking that kind of risk. Okay, that's really great. So I feel your plans would be for masters as you have appeared for XC specifically. Otherwise, for PSU student will go only for mechanical as
right.
great. So guys, you can see this was the wonderful success story of Ghanshyam. So Ghanshyam, at the last to complete this, I would be asking you one more thing. Any special words or success mantra you want to give to the student that what they shall do as a whole in the journey? What are the various quality you feel you should have to get such kind of ranks like you have achieved?
Um, Stay focused. The 2 to 3 months time period before the exam is the key time period. That is where everything happens, right? So don't get demotivated that I haven't studied for the few months before that. Then what I can do in those 2 3 months? Just stay focused on that particular time period, do as much as you can in that particular time period, because that is the most critical time period where you can make the difference. And that was the case for me, right? The last 2 3 months where I put all of my effort into the exam, and so I was able to achieve good rank. So don't get demotivated that I have little amount of time. Just put 100% of your effort into that, and you'll get success.
Great. So guys, this was the success story you have seen. I feel you all guys would be learning something from this journey and will implement that in your life as well. And so that you would also be the part of the success story in the next GATE exam. So with this, we will be saying goodbye here and stay tuned with us for more such videos. As you know, we are coming up with all the types of videos like mock interviews for the students who are appearing into the PSUs and all. Every kind of session you can see on this channel. So goodbye for this particular session. We will meet again. Goodbye.